Hey guys, there's a big problem at hand. About 1 billion people still don't have electricity in this world, stable electricity or internet access, among other basic necessities for life. And that's disgusting to me. When I was a senior in high school, that's why the decision was so easy, senior in undergrad, for my co-founder and I, Will McKnight, to team up and try to make a solution to this problem based on existing economies in these developing countries. And so we're with Farm to Flame Energy. We're making a biomass solution for electricity generation, and a universal one at that can use any feedstock and turn it into electricity. So to date, we've done a lot, and I can start by showing you our unit and our technology. So we walk this way. We see that typically, when we're talking about electricity generation, people are using a lot of dirty and expensive fuels, and our main competitor is diesel. We're competing with diesel because in these areas of developing nations, they're using diesel right now for electricity generation. From a fuel cost standpoint, our powdered biomass is 14 times cheaper than diesel from a fuel cost standpoint. So right here we have a lab unit. About 10 years back, Will's grandfather and his uncle patented a technology that allows for the dispersion of biomass and a completely clean combustion of the biomass in itself. This is part of the unit right here. We built this out this summer and made some modifications in order to cleanly burn biomass, and I do tests every weekend. I test with the sensor, the carbon monoxide levels, and make sure that it's clean burning. And so that just goes to show what our fuel efficiency is. Now, we can talk about the traction that we've made to date. Earlier last semester, I competed in the Trans Tech Conference where we won the exhibition prize, but we also got connections to valuable contacts who took us to a conference in Nigeria where we met people from the Ministry of Energy and different chief MDs in hospitals in Nigeria, and we were able to get a $1.2 million letter of intent signed for the purchase of 2 of our units. We also have a manufacturing space in Pittsburgh that we're looking to move into called Factory Unlocked, in which we would be building out our beta unit and then moving it to another space to do tests. And so we're hoping to deploy this by the end of June. And we've really been making a lot of traction. We've really been doing a lot of market research too, and we see where our target market is and where we fit in our niche. But right now, we're just trying to build our technology as reliably as we can. With this McGinnis Venture money, we will be using it for operational costs such as moving into the manufacturing facility and getting some of the raw materials that we need in order to purchase the parts for our generator. Our advisory board consists of Karen Davis of Syracuse University, who has helped us incubate throughout the process and really learn a lot of things about refining our business model. Reed McManigal, who has been a tremendous help in letting us go to these different conferences and access these different networks, as well as giving us advice on our technology. As well as Tony Hart, who has more than 20 years experience in technical project management applications and much manufacturing and OEM experience. One more thing. I, Kwaku Jemfi, am the Chief Innovation Officer of Farm to Flame Energy, and over the past 6 months, I've led our engineering team throughout the design and testing in ANSYS of our beta unit. So that includes the feed system, the combustion chamber, and then contacting all the manufacturers and getting letters of intent with them to be our suppliers for certain volumes of these parts that we're buying. We have everything ready to go from a manufacturing standpoint, and now we're just seeking the funds. 6, 11,